every child deserves protection from preventable diseases, childhood immunization remains one of the most effective ways to protect children from infectious diseases. Yet, vaccine hesitancy and misinformation continue to influence public understanding of childhood vaccination in Malaysia. Recent outbreaks and growing public concerns highlight the need for more effective approaches to immunization education. Awareness matters, because informed decisions help protect children, families, and communities. How can we make vaccination awareness more engaging and meaningful? What if learning about vaccination could be more engaging, more interactive, and more meaningful? Introducing Vital Guardians versus the Infektors, an educational card game developed to improve parental awareness and knowledge of childhood immunization. Rather than simply reading information, players learn through play, discussion, and interaction, transforming health education into an engaging tabletop learning experience. This innovation was developed based on research findings exploring parental vaccine hesitancy and childhood vaccination perceptions in Pahang, Malaysia. These findings provided valuable insights, helping shape the educational content, gameplay design, and learning objectives of the game, ensuring that the innovation is grounded in real community concerns and experiences. Players enter a world where the Vital Guardians defend the community against the Infektors. As the game unfolds, players encounter concepts related to vaccines, immunity, and disease prevention. They think, they discuss, and they learn together. Through the interactions between heroes and villains, complex health concepts are presented in a simpler, more engaging way, making learning both meaningful and fun. Lastly, you win the game by being the last player stand. Many participants described the game as enjoyable and indicated that they would recommend it to others. These findings demonstrate strong acceptance, strong engagement, and strong educational value among participating parents. Alternative way to learn knowledge about immune system and childhood vaccination. Interesting compared to the usual poster or pamphlet we had previously. More information in a fun way. Simple facts, easy to understand. Kids will love to play them. To ensure educational quality and content accuracy, the game underwent expert validation involving specialists in pediatric infectious diseases and pediatrics. The experts confirmed that the game is suitable as an educational tool for promoting childhood immunization awareness.
This game has the potential to be integrated into public health education programs.
Good effort to educate society, something different. The pilot implementation involved 20 parents in Pahang, and the results were highly encouraging. All participants agreed that the game instructions were clear and easy to understand. They also agreed that the game encouraged discussion on childhood vaccination and promoted interaction among players. The results showed a statistically significant improvement in childhood immunization knowledge. The overall knowledge score increased from 3.60 to 4.36 out of 5, representing a 21.1% improvement. Statistical analysis confirmed a very large educational effect, demonstrating the game's potential as an effective learning tool. The greatest improvements were observed in participants' understanding of childhood vaccination schedules, the importance of completing multiple vaccine doses, safety and common misconceptions surrounding childhood immunization. The innovation has strong commercialization potential as an educational and public health awareness tool. The project has also received commercialization support through TAR-UMT iSpark funding approval, further supporting its development and market expansion potential. The innovation can be implemented in schools, clinics, hospitals, outreach programs, and community learning initiatives. To strengthen the innovation's commercial value and long-term sustainability, copyright applications for the game, its contents, and its characters have been successfully submitted to MyIPO. Trademark applications for Vital Guardians versus the Infektors are also currently in progress. These intellectual property protections help safeguard the innovation while supporting future growth and commercial development. At its heart, Vital Guardians versus the Infektors is more than just a card game. It is an innovative educational tool designed to make childhood immunization awareness easier to understand, more engaging, and more accessible for families. By combining research, education, and play, the innovation creates meaningful learning experiences that can support healthier communities. Together, we can empower families with knowledge, protect the world, battle the outbreak. And thank you for watching.